Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be making Zobo drink, hibiscus flower, and I have my Zobo leaves here. This is the tiny leaves. I prefer using the tiny leaves because they bring out more juice than the bigger leaves, and I wouldn't be adding any extra sugar because I have my dates here. This is the dry dates you will see in the markets. You have to soak it overnight, wash it, break it open, and throw away the seeds because it will spoil your blender. Then you'll have it here. Then I have my ginger to spice it up. I have my cloves to add flavor. Cloves is highly medicinal. Then I have pineapple. Let's get right into it. Now I'll have to put my Zobo leaves inside a bigger plate to select it of any unwanted debris. These are the unwanted particles I've removed from it. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it. The small Zobo leaves usually have a lot of sand, so you have to use your hand and sieve out the up. Allow the sand to settle underneath and throw it away afterwards. Now wash the Zobo leaf. Go ahead and add water to a certain level of the pot. This is the water level I'll be needing. We are going to go ahead and wash our cloves and add it inside. Add our cloves in. I'm going to wash this pineapple. I'm going to wash it very well. You have to wash the back very well because we are cooking the back with this Zobo. So the pineapple. I'm going to cut my pineapple back into little pieces, little chunks, and I'm going to add it inside my Zobo pot. Put the pineapple back inside the Zobo pot, then I'm ready to start cooking it. I've put my Zobo pot on the stove. Please remember where my level of water is because as it starts boiling it's going to overthrow. Now we're going to cover it and come back to it 20 minutes from when it starts boiling. As we are waiting for our Zobo to boil, we'll go ahead and cut the pineapple into small chunks. We'll wash our ginger and take off the back. This is how I'm peeling the back of my ginger. We are going to blend the inner parts with the dates and the pineapple. We'll blend the pineapples, the ginger, and the dates. I might not be able to blend it at once because of its quantity, so I'll go in 2 batches. Ginger and some of the dates because my blender wouldn't take all of them at once. I'll add a little water and I'll go ahead and blend. So this is our paste. This is the second one. I have to pour it out. Now we'll go and check our Zobo. So our Zobo has been boiling for more than 20 minutes now, so we'll have to turn it. The leaves has extracted out all its juice, so with the help of my sieve I'm going to transfer it here before I can pour in my pineapple paste. So now we brought out all the zobo and pineapple back. I'll pour in my pineapple, ginger and date paste now. And as I'm pouring it in, once it comes to a boil, I'll take it out from the stove. I don't want to overcook it. The zobo has come to a boil, so we're going to stir it and take it off the stove. Then wait for it to cool down before we start sieving it. I'm about to sieve the zobo. I take it through 2 times. I sieve it through this bigger sieve, then I run it through the smaller sieve cloth. I'm passing it through the second sieve because I don't want any particles in it. I want it to come out like wine. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. If this video has been of any help to you, please smash the like button. Thank you for watching this video. I've added my ice to my glass to have a taste. Zobo is a very delicious drink you can make for yourself and your family. It's very healthy without sugar.